Hey everyone, welcome to Wrong Math. In this video, we will geometrically derive the equation for cos x minus y and sine x minus y. Let us get started. Take a unit circle with radius 1 unit and let the hypotenuse subtend an angle of x radians, then the opposite side has a length of sine x and the adjacent side has a length of cos x. After that, let us decrease the angle by y radians. The new triangle formed by the angle x minus y has an opposite side with a length equal to sine x minus y and an adjacent side whose length is equal to cos x minus y. We are interested in the length of the cos x minus y side and sine x minus y side in terms of x and y terms individually. We will start by taking the cos x side and the sine x side and then resize them to the required length to fit exactly to the cos x minus y side and sine x minus y side respectively. First, let us draw a right triangle with angle x radians. Further, we will draw another right triangle with angle y radians such that the base of the triangle is lying on the hypotenuse of the x-angled triangle. We do this to represent that the angle is being subtracted from the x-angle. We can now label the sides as sine x, cos x, sine y, and cos y. Next, we need to resize the cos x side by moving the sine x side to a distance of cos y from the origin along the hypotenuse. By using similar triangles and equating the ratios of the hypotenuse and the adjacent sides, we get the length of the resized sides to be cos x times cos y. Similarly, the sine x side is also resized, and by using the similar triangles concept and equating the ratios of the hypotenuse and the opposite sides, we get the length of the resized side to be sine x times cos y. In the next step, we can notice that these two are alternate angles and hence must be equal. Since the entire angle at that vertex is 90 minus y, and one of the portions is x minus y, then the other portion has the value 90 minus x. So, the required angle has a value of x angle. We can find the horizontal and vertical components of the sine y side by taking the sine x component and the cos x component of sine y respectively. If we subtract the vertical component sine y times cos x from the sine x times cos y side, the remaining length when moved horizontally in a parallel way exactly fits the sine x minus y side. Hence, the sine x minus y side is equal to sine x times cos y minus sine y times cos x. We can notice now that the horizontal component has a length equal to the sine x component of the sine y side. Bringing this side down and adding it to the resized cosine x side gives the total length of the cos x minus y side, which is equal to cosine x times cosine y plus sine x times sine y. Hence, we get the final equation for the sine and cosine components of sine x minus y and cos x minus y. There we go. We beautifully derived in a geometric way the equation for cos x minus y and sine x minus y. If you liked the video, then hit that like button and share it with your fellow math lovers. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing concepts like these.